Hey love bugs, today you're going to learn a new game in math that helps us practice subtracting. It's called Subtraction Top It. It's very similar to Addition Top It that we played, where you have two of the sets of cards. Now remember love bugs, we have the one set of cards that was in the packet I gave you, and then you have the thicker set of cards that was in the back of your workbook. If you lost your cards, you can make your own cards. Okay, you can have somebody in your family cut pieces of paper that are all the same size, and you need the numbers, just so you can see, only the numbers 0 to 10 for this game. You don't want anything higher than 10, okay? So no 11s, 12s, 13s, okay? Just the number cards from 0 to 10, all shuffled up and mixed up in one deck, and all shuffled up and mixed up in the other deck, okay? So there's player 1's deck and player 2's deck. Now, to play this game, we do the same kind of actions as Addition Top It, but instead of adding, we're subtracting. So watch player 1. Also have counters nearby. Like always, love bugs, it could be anything. It could be your toys, it could be pieces of snack food, something that's there that you can count. Okay, whatever you like to use. All right, so the first player will flip over their numbers. And how you play this game, we don't add, we subtract. So since we're subtracting, you have to use the bigger number first. So out of 0 and 2, the bigger number is 2. So I'm going to put 2 counters there for player 1. 2 minus the other number. So the bigger number minus the smaller number. 2 minus 0. 2 take away 0. Well, they have 2. I'm taking away 0. So I'm going to leave those counters there. And what does their equation equal? 2 minus 0 equals 2 counters. It's pretty good. Let's see what player 2 gets. Okay, player 2 has 2 numbers. They have a 9 and a 1. What's the bigger number? Very good. 9. And when we subtract, we say the bigger number first. So I'm going to put 9 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 counters minus 1 counter. That means 9 counters take away 1 counter. So I'm going to take 1 counter away, and let's see what player 2 has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when player 1 subtracted, they got the answer of 2. When player 2 subtracted, they got the answer of 8. Which number is bigger, a 2 or an 8? An 8, so player 2 gets the point. So when you play this game, whoever's answer is the higher number gets the point. Now watch, I take player 2's cards, and I put them to the side over here so I don't mix them up. Take player 1's cards, put them right here, and then we can play again. Player 1 flips, they get a 4 and a 3. The bigger number is always said first when we subtract, so we say 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're taking away, they're minusing 3. So I'm going to take away 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. How many does that leave them with? Very good, 1 counter. But we don't know who the winner is yet because player 2 has to go. So player 2 flips over a 0 and a 7. Which is the bigger number? 7. So that's the counters we put out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are you taking away? 7, take away 0. Very good. So I'm not taking anything away. Player 1 has 1. Player 2 has 7. Which is the bigger number? 1 or 7? Yeah, the 7. So player 2 gets the point again. And this is how we play this game. So now I'm going to take player 2's cards, put them in the player 2 deck. Player 1's cards stay with the player 1. I'm going to show you one more round, love bugs. Okay, let's see what happens. Player 1 flips over a 5 and a 6. Player 2 flips over a 3 and a 9. All right, which is the higher number for player 1? The 5 or the 6? Good, the 6. So we're going to put out 6 counters. And we're going to take away how many? 5. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we had 6, we subtracted 5, and what are we left with? Right, it equaled 1 counter. Let's look down here for player 2. They had a 9 and they had a 3. Which is the bigger number? Yeah, a 9. So I'm going to put out 9 counters. 6, 7, double check me guys, count my counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so player 2 had 9 minus 3. 9 take away 3. So I'm going to take 3 away. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. How many does player 2 have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 9 minus 3 equals 6. 6 minus 5 equals 1. Which player had a bigger answer? Right, player 2. Player 2 had a bigger answer with 6, so player 2 gets the point. We would keep playing Love Bugs until there's no cards left in the decks. And then, whichever player had more tally marks, they're the winner of Subtraction Top It for that round. And then you can start again and you can play again. Families, Love Bug families, if your child starts to do so well with it that they don't even need the counters anymore, that's awesome. So yeah, you don't have to force them to use the counters if they're doing the math correctly without them. But if you feel your child needs them and it helps them to lay them out and then take them away, that's great too. Everything with that is fine. So, don't force it if they're doing well without it. But if they're doing well with it, encourage it. That's a great thing. So have fun with it, Love Bugs. Play some Subtraction Top It. Don't just play 1 round. Play 2, play 3. It's a great way to practice subtracting. And we'll see you guys next time for some more math.